is Thailand country. Thailand is a country located in the heart of Southeast Asia. So Thailand is called the heart of Southeast Asia because they bordering Laos, Cambodia, Myanmar, and Malaysia. So natunga siya sa upat ka country. Then including mountains, plains, and along coastline along the Gulf of Thailand and Andaman Sea. Thailand is a constitutional monarchy with Bangkok. So Thailand is mura siya balay province area sa which is Dalian City is Bangkok. Then as its capital city, it is recognized for its rich culture, famous cuisine, and thriving tourism industry. Then Thailand is a home of Buddhism. So we know that Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Malaysia is ang ilang kina-practice is Buddhismo or Buddha praise mga Hinduism. Then so exotic wildlife and spectacular islands. It is also known for its fascinating history, unique cultures, and delectable local foods. The tourism industry plays an important role in the Thai economy and contributes as estimated 18.4% of national GDP. So Thailand is ilang balik tourist attraction is nakuog kaning nahatag og economic value or support sa ilang income sa ilang country. And also the Thailand country is monarchy rule siya balik na naigalid na prince or king. The famous place of Thailand, the Grand Palace, Chiang Rai, Railway Bridge, Chiang Mai.
Then we can talk about the highest animals, the Y. The Y is the common form of reading in English and rules of protocol, using both hands, palms, joint creating fingers, pointing and points. As it aims player lightly touching the body somewhere between the chest and the forehead distance handle. As you can see, what is the Y? The Y is called a sign of respect as well as the greeting is respect and demonstrated by the height at which the hands are held and how low the head comes down to meet the hands. The way, pwede siya i-perform ang mag-lingkod, maglakaw, maglingkod. So, the person who is junior in age, akong pinaka-panguran, siya ako na mag-offer sa Y. So tayo family values. The family is the cornerstone of Christ's society. Family's life is often more closely linked than in different cultures. The Thai family is a form of hierarchy between parents that usually are taught to honor their parents and to thank them for the time and money spent on their education. Many words are used in the Thai language to identify older figures of the family. Within children, there is also a hierarchy. Every child has an elder called T. So ang pinakamagulakan sa mag-isoon ang tawag sa lalay T. Then ang pinaka-mahulan tawag kay Ito. When speaking to an elder, that children always use the word T. When the difference of age is not important, they only use the first name and the children must expect to listen to their advice and the older should protect the younger. Gifting effect. If invited to a Thai house, a gift is not extended, although it will be appreciated. It should be wrapped practically, since appearance matter. Bows and ribbons add to the sense of festivity. Appropriate gifts and flowers to validate the release of the room. Do not give marigold or abandon as they exchange with honorants. Try to avoid wrapping a gift in green, black, or blue as these are used as in mourning. Gold and euro are considered rare colors, so they make a good wrapping paper. Only used with wrapping paper in the Chinese style. Gifts are not open when received. Money is the usually an ordination artist. That's all.
So Thai food is known for its use of coconut milk, fresh chilies, and curry paste. Some popular Thai dishes include The next one is the pad see ew. Pad see ew traditionally made stir-fried soy sauce noodles, popular Thai street foods in Thailand. The difference between pad Thai and pad see ew is that the pad Thai usually has a combination of vegetables with toppings of crushed peanuts and lime, while the pad see ew is traditionally made with broccoli and other greens. And the last one is the mango sticky rice. So mango sticky rice is Kiao Kiao Mamuang in Thailand, means traditional Thai dessert that typically consists of sticky rice with coconut milk and served with fresh sliced mango with toppings.
So, Thai dining etiquette in Thailand includes using a spoon or fork, eating in bite-sized portions, and being mindful of making noise. So, number 1, sitting in hierarchy. Number 2, ordering and sharing food. Number 3, eating manners. Number 4, respect for food and household. Number 5, saying thank you. So other good table etiquette. So eat slowly, don't talk with your mouth full, wait the senior to begin eating, elbows on the table, don't blow your nose. In Thailand, greetings are deeply rooted in respect, hierarchy and politeness. Here's what you need to know about greeting guests properly. So one, the way, traditional Thai greeting, the way involves placing your palms together in a prayer-like gesture and slightly bowing your head. The height of your hands and dip of the bow depend on the person's status. Elders or higher status individually. Hands at nose or forehead level with a deeper bow. Peers or equals. Hands at chest level with a slight bow. Younger or lower status individuals. Include a simple smile is enough. Number 2, verbal greeting. The common phrase is sawati,